Yeah, but that's not the same thing. Daddy and mommy kissing you guys on the cheek is not the same as mommy and daddy getting together and having sex. It's different. And it's something that you are way too young to ever do. Okay? This is not something kids do.
I know.
This is something that adults do.
Are you writing about this?
Why do you ask?
Because I want to know.
Well, I wrote a post about it, and I went back to that post, and I went completely against what I said I would do if the subject ever came up. And that's why we're talking about this.
Oh.
Because at the time that I wrote the post, you were way too young. You were 4 years old.
Wait, you wrote the post when I was 4?
Yes, it was a post about kids learning about the birds and the bees.
What are the birds and the bees? Oh, where the girls birds and the boys are bees?
Yeah, something like that.
Because bees sting people?
Something like that.
Did you know bees kiss people?
Yeah.
Because they sting people.
Yes.
And that's kissing.
Well, what I'm saying is you don't have to worry about sex. I know you heard it on the radio. It wasn't something that I thought would come up on the radio all of a sudden. We just got in the car and it just kind of came up as we were leaving. But I wanted to make sure that you understand, what it is. And I don't want you going out and having the conversation with someone else. I want you to feel comfortable enough to always come to me and Daddy, okay? I don't want you going anywhere else. If there's anything you want to discuss, you come to me and Daddy and we'll talk about it.
Okay, I have something. How do you work a car?
So are we okay with the sex talk?
Yes.
So you understand that only grown-ups do it?
Yes.
And you should only do it if you're married?
Yes.
Or you really, really in love with someone and you don't have to worry about that for a very long time.
Yes.
Got it? So we're okay.